Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Safari and get directly to the History area. On a Mac, click the History menu or use +Y to jump in. On an iPhone or iPad, tap the book icon at the bottom, then the clock tab. Make sure you are in a normal browsing window, not private browsing, because private hides history. Once done, you will see recent sites listed chronologically, which speeds up finding the exact page you need without researching or guessing. Now dive into the core. Locate and filter entries so you can reopen the exact page. Use the search field at the top of History to type a keyword or domain. Safari filters instantly. On Mac, the History menu shows recently closed tabs and daily groupings. Expand a day to see everything. On iPhone or iPad, the clock tab groups by day and supports swipe actions to delete single entries. Make sure to preview links before reopening to avoid duplicates and speed your workflow. Finish by reopening the page or cleaning up history. Click or tap any entry to reopen it. On Mac, right-click for options like Open in New Tab. If you want to tidy up, use Clear History for arrange or swipe to delete single records. If history isn't appearing, check that private browsing is off and that Safari iCloud Sync is enabled. Sometimes history lives on another device. Finally, make sure Safari is updated. Outdated builds can misbehave with history display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.